As we approach financial year end, a little preparation can ensure a smooth, stress-free process. Year-end delays are often caused by a few common items that are easy to overlook. Practices on a standard financial year can make use of an automatic year-end. On the last day of February, the system closes the February period and opens March, marking the start of the new financial year. This applies only to practices with financial periods running from 1st March to 28th February, and clients must be registered in advance by their FCL to qualify for this free service. For practices with a different financial year, the year-end is completed manually by closing the relevant months and finalizing the year-end. Your financial year is determined by your company documents, which define your official year-end date. Whether your year-end runs automatically or is completed manually, the process is designed to be simple, efficient, and easy to manage. With GoodX, financial year-end is tailored to be effortless, so you can focus on what matters most: patient care. For step-by-step guidance on completing your financial year-end efficiently, watch the how-to video linked in the description.